Wow, congratulations, you've done it. You've taken the steps to get your life admin and future planning sorted. That's a massive achievement and something to be seriously proud of. But now, imagine giving that same sense of calm, clarity and security to someone you care about. You can picture it, can't you? Someone's already popped into your mind, haven't they? Because when you give the gift of the life jar to someone you love, you're not just handing them the just-in-case checklist for a life audit or the Life Ready planner with its toolkits to help them get their life sorted. You're giving them peace of mind. You're saying, I care about your future as much as I care about my own. That's powerful, isn't it? And here's the best part. Right now, when you buy one life jar, you'll get a second one completely free. That's 2 life jars for the price of one. A practical, thoughtful and deeply meaningful gift for someone who might be starting out, feeling overwhelmed or just going through a life change. Think for a moment, who do you know who fits that bill? It's going to give a helping hand to your partner, mum, dad, maybe an adult child, sibling or close friend to get their life ready. Don't you agree? And let's be honest, it might just save you time in the future if you ever need to step in and help them out. Makes sense, doesn't it? So tap the button now and grab this 2-for-1 offer while it's available. Give the perfect gift of being life ready to someone you care about.